All right, this is how I wash my lashes so that I can reuse them. I don't really know how many wears I can get out of the same lashes because I don't really keep track, but typically I use one of these little brushes. What is this, like an eyebrow brush? I use a paper towel. I soak my lashes. I use these little contact cases because they're really convenient. And I soak them in rubbing alcohol. So what I will do is once it's been soaking for a while, I will open this and I'll clean them off. So here I have a paper towel, and what I will do is I'll just take one little lash out of the lens case at a time. I'll let it keep soaking over here. And I just take one and I use the brush to get that gunk off. And try to be a little careful about it. And then it is pretty clean. So it should look kind of like this. I try to get as much off as possible. And because I've been able to reuse a lot of the lashes, if they feel like they're falling apart at this stage, I can just throw them away. It doesn't matter too much. Okay, so there's one. The other thing that I use, I have this little case right here, which is kind of neat. It's got different levels, and I put these little sticky pads on there so I can store my reused lashes. And I usually keep them separated by length. So when I take them off, I'll put the 12s on this side and the 14s on this side. That way it's really easy to keep them separated. And that's pretty much it.